The real reason why women test men and make drama, it's not what you think. Women, like men, can sometimes engage in behaviors that might be perceived as testing or creating drama in relationships. These actions can be influenced by various factors, and it's important to recognize that they are not exclusive to one gender. Here are some possible reasons behind such behaviors. Communication style. Some people, regardless of gender, may use indirect ways to communicate their feelings or needs. What might seem like a test or drama could be an attempt to express something that's important to them. Insecurity. Feelings of insecurity or low self-esteem can lead to seeking reassurance or testing a partner's commitment to validate their worth. Fear of vulnerability. Some individuals may have difficulty being emotionally vulnerable. They may create drama or tests as a defense mechanism to protect themselves from getting hurt. Past experiences. Past relationship experiences can influence behavior. A person who has been hurt in the past may test their current partner as a way of guarding against potential pain. Lack of effective communication skills. Inadequate communication skills can result in misunderstandings or frustration, leading to drama or testing as a way to express dissatisfaction. Unmet expectations. When expectations are not clearly communicated or unmet, individuals may resort to indirect methods, such as creating drama, to get their point across. Seeking reassurance. Testing can sometimes be a way of seeking reassurance or validation from a partner about the relationship's strength and their commitment. It's crucial to approach these situations with understanding and open communication. Both partners should strive to create a safe environment for discussing feelings and concerns directly. Instead of viewing it as testing, consider it an opportunity for growth, understanding, and building a stronger, more open connection. Addressing the underlying issues and encouraging healthy communication can help resolve relationship challenges.